and welcome to Integra Cove. My name is Alex. I'm a leasing specialist here. I'm going to take you on a tour of our 3-bedroom apartment. I'm excited to take you through. Super cute, super spacious. Let's take a look. Thank you so much for coming on a tour with me. You can apply on our website, listed down below right here. You can also give our offices a call so we can reserve an apartment home for you. We hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for touring.